I want to highlight para 3, sir.
Ji, please read it if you want to read it, or some particular portion from it.
May I read the whole, sir, if your lordships allow? Ji. That it is most respectfully and most humbly submitted that it is settled law of contempt that unless malintent is shown on behalf of the media or the press for the publication or broadcast of an allegedly contemptuous material, the said media/press entity cannot be charged for contempt.
Let's pause here.
Ji.
Settled, what is the word you used? Settled law.
Ji.
No reference to any law.
Ji. Sir,
this is settled American law, settled European law, settled Russian law,
sir, comparatively,
settled global law.
Sir, because contempt proceedings are quasi-criminal proceedings.
You said settled law. Since I'm not aware of it, please enlighten me.
So this is Pakistani law, also other jurisdictions.
Why don't you mention it? Otherwise, in all other pleadings, you mention chapter and verse, PLD so-and-so, SCMR so-and-so. There's no mention of either
Sir,
precedent law, nor is there mention of any statute law.
I'll give a list of judgments, sir.
I don't want to read your list of judgments. I'm reading your statement that you filed. कोर्ट
वो निकाल लो इसमें.
चले आगे बढ़िए. तो कुछ भी नहीं, हवा में है बात. आगे बढ़ते हैं.
In the context of this settled principle the law of contempt regarding malintent, it is important to
again the word आ गया settled principle. ये अंग्रेजी लिखना है. ये तो बगैर पढ़े आप लिख सकते थे.
जी.
मुझे इतनी कदर है आपको इस अदालत की. You're an officer of this court before anything else,
sir,
and you have signed it, not your client.
जी.
Probably they didn't want to sign it.
No, sir, I take full responsibility of this, sir.
Okay, fine, then we may have to issue you contempt notice.
Yes, please. अगर I take full responsibility.
Okay, चलिए.
Full responsibility.
अब 3 दफा full कहने की जरूरत नहीं है, एक full काफी.
No, sir, this is to a counsel to say कि you don't take full responsibility.
आगे बढ़िए, please.
Complete responsibility.
आगे बढ़िए, please.
I am willing to face all consequences. Firstly, the allegedly contemptuous press conference
okay. Now, from your own mouth, yes. I heard that this was contemptuous at least to the extent of one of them.
Prima facie. I said prima facie.
Now, please don't start playing word games.
No, I said prima facie.
Please don't interrupt.
Ji.
You'd never said any such thing anyways.
Sir,
proceeding further. Allegedly contemptuous press conference.
The reason
okay, now suddenly you've got a change of heart. Continue reading, please.
Because I cannot prejudice anyone's case.
Please continue reading.
Allegedly press conference of Senator Faisal Wauda and MNA Mustafa Kamal were broadcast live on the internet as well as the social media forums, and extensive extracts of it were also published in different newspapers. This fact was admitted in the registrar's note dated 16/5/2020,
yes,
which gave rise to.
Why are you writing something we know?
Secondly, this honorable court has rightly not issued notices to various internet and social media forums as well as various newspapers for broadcasting, publishing and circulating the alleged contemptuous press conference. Therefore, in view of the aforesaid settled
law of contempt
regarding malintent, the universal broadcast, publication and circulation of the alleged press conference clearly eliminates any notion of malintent on behalf of the channels, because otherwise simultaneous malintent would have to be presumed on behalf of all such aforementioned internet, social and print media entities, which would not be rational. It is important.
You are now teaching us rationality.
Yes.
Good.
It is important to mention here that the channel does not share the views of both Senator Faisal Wauda and MNA Mustafa Kamal and condemns any instances of alleged contempt by anyone, but the channel has only broadcast the live press conference in the public interest as it is their right and duty under Articles 19 and 19A, Constitution 1973.
Right and duty.
Ji, sir.
Okay, now
duties under Article 19.
Please don't interrupt all the time. Let me complete a sentence and we can hear you at length.
Ji, sir.
Okay. First of all, you said does not share the views of both so and so and so and so.
Ji.
Where did you say this in your broadcast?
So broadcast mein to nahi keh sakte.
The world has seen your broadcast. You can say these views are not shared by this TV channel and its management or whoever runs it. Did you do it or not do it?
I don't think we
did you do it or not do it?
No, I didn't. We didn't do it because
then why are you writing something which is not true? Which is not backed by a fact.
मैं तो अभी की बात कर रहा हूँ.
अभी की क्या बात है?
कि ये जो
मतलब आप ये अच्छी बात है पूरे दुनिया को आप दिखा दें एक बात
जी
और फिर खामोशी से आके सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कह दें ये मैं इनके व्यू से एग्री नहीं करता हूँ. माशाल्लाह कितनी खूबसूरत बात है. अब हम आपको आईना दिखाएंगे. चलें ड्यूटी आप ये ड्यूटी बता दें कि आपकी ड्यूटी है कि हर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस आप लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट करें. ये कौन सी ड्यूटी आइन में है इसका तज़किरा आपने लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल किया है?
ड्यूटी अंडर
राइट एंड ड्यूटी
अंडर आर्टिकल 19A सर.
Duty is the law. What is the relevant law and what are your SOPs? Can you telecast every press conference live? Or first you require the contents of the press conference? How does it operate? Anybody can come forward and say whatever he wants to say. How can you be so irresponsible, the media, that anybody comes forward and say anything for anybody and goes away? So there must be some laws, there must be some SOPs. What is the procedure adopted when you put somebody on live? और everybody is watching whatever he is saying. So आपने वो precautions किए थे? Whether both these conferences were live?
Yes.
So what tempted you to bring these two gentlemen live and say whatever they wanted to say, which prima facie, according to your opinion also, are contemptuous in nature? So what is the responsibility of the media? Or they just want to demonstrate something that, look, we are helpless, somebody came to us, we are paid for it, and we have shown those press conferences live. There has to be some sort of...
कम से कम वो जो दो शख्स हैं उन्होंने कम से कम आके इतराफ किया है गलती है और माफी मांगी है. आप नहीं करते हैं. फर्क है आप दोनों में. ठीक है. बहुत लोगों से हमसे भी गलती होती है. हम भी इंसान हैं. अभी आपने हमें जजमेंट में भी हम कह देते हैं गलती होगी, कभी रिव्यू में भी हमारी गलती हो जाती है. आप गलती नहीं मानने के लिए तैयार हैं. आप क्या कहते हैं सीना जोरी करने पे उतरे हुए हैं. ठीक है. अब आपकी ड्यूटी है. अच्छा अब आपकी ड्यूटी है आप जाइए कोई पागल खाने में कोई आदमी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहा है, जाइए कवर कीजिए उसको. आपकी ड्यूटी है. ये आपने क्या लफ्ज इस्तेमाल किया? आपकी ड्यूटी है.
मैं एक्सप्लेन कर
कल कोई आदमी हिंदुस्तान में कोई पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ बात कर रहा है, आपकी ड्यूटी है इसको कवर करें और इसको रिले करें.